I'm a farmer.
What does that mean?
You know, I farm. Work boots, harvest knife, double front pants.
Oh, like a laborer?
No, I plant seeds, mow weeds, and daydream a lot.
Oh, you're a gardener?
No, you know, tractors and stirrup hoes, crops all in rows.
Oh, like an organic factory?
You're missing the point. I cover crop. I build the soil. I'm less reliant on oil. People tell me I'm living the life. I'll complain about my income later. I dig in the dirt. I live in a yurt. Sometimes I like to dance all spacey.
Oh, so you're like a hippie?
No, a farmer, but that's trippy. I only drive old beat-up trucks. I've got a herd of goats, some does and some bucks. I milk my own cow. People who eat my kale say, wow.
A redneck?
Come on, I write my own paycheck. There's a difference between a bushel and a peck. Ain't nothing I can't fix with baling twine. I know my breeds of swine. I'm in the market for produce, you know?
Yeah, bro.
When the sun is awake, so am I. I thrive in the summer.
Oh, you're heat?
No, a farmer. I tend plants that you can eat.
Oh, you mean you grow food?
Yeah.